Good morning, students. Uh, Let us first revise Indian place value chart. Okay, Indian place value chart for 9-digit number. We did this chart in our previous period. Let us do revise this chart. Okay, this is our Indian place value chart. Okay, let us start. It's your first period, that is ones period. Under this period, you have three places: ones, tens, hundreds. The next period is thousand period. Under this period, you have again two places: thousands, 10,000s. The next period is lakhs period, under which you have two places: lakhs, 10 lakh. Then crore periods, under which you have two places: crores and 10 crores. Okay. Dear student, do you know we have another form of place value chart called international place value chart? Most of the countries follows that place value chart. Okay, let us see. This is your Indian place value chart. Means this you according to this chart you did all the question which belongs to Indian system of numeration. Now today we are going to do international place value chart. International place value chart. Okay, most of the countries use this number of system, international system of numeration. Okay, let us start. Ones. This is again for 9-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is again for 9-digit number. First period is ones period. This is similar to the Indian place value chart. Ones, tens, 100. Under this period you have three places. Now second is thousand period, under which you have 1,000, 10,000, one another place which is called 100,000s. So in international system of numeration, under 1,000 periods you have three places: thousands, 10,000, 100,000. And next period is millions. Again you have three places: millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Okay, this is our international system of numeration. Okay, let us do question number 1 of worksheet 4. This is your worksheet 4. Question is that rewrite the following numerals using commas in international system of numeration and then read them aloud. Yes, you have to place the commas and read them aloud. Okay, so here is your question number 1. You knew that in international system of numeration we have three periods, under which we have three places under each period. So first period have three places, second period 1,000 period again has three places. तो यहाँ पे हम और कोई कॉमा नहीं लगाएंगे. ओके, तो दिस इज योर which period? 1,000 period. Yes, for your understanding, this is your ones period. Okay, this is your which place? Ones, tens, then 100. Now this is your 1,000 place, this is your 10,000 place, and this is your 100,000 place. This is according to your internal system of numeration. How you can read it? The rules are same. Separate the periods using commas between them. We have separated here. Second rule, read all the digits in the same period together and name of the period except ones along with them. ठीक है ना? Read all the digits together with the name of the period. Let us start. 493. मैंने सारे डिजिट इकट्ठे ही पढ़े हैं. 493 and the name of the period. What is the period? 1,000. तो 493,182. वंस पीरियड जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया था कि इंडियन सिस्टम में हम सिर्फ वंस पीरियड है जिसे हम साथ में नहीं बोलते, तो इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में भी हम ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू करेंगे, वंस पीरियड को हम साथ में नहीं बोलेंगे. ओके, सिमिलरली मुझे पता आई न्यू दैट कि इन अकॉर्डिंग टू इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम I have to place commas after three places. Okay. So how ones, thousands, then third period is millions. Okay. So how we can read all the digits in the same period and the name of the period. 10, we have only 2 digits, so 10 million, then 489, name of the period 1000, then 752. In this way you can read the number name. Okay, let us do question number 3.